Hey everyone, this is Rich Noto here, Realtor, Home Inspector in Notary. Just want to give you a little drive-through of the Phase 2 part of Windsor at Westside, Pulte Homes. It's just right across the road from the main clubhouse, pool, and all the great stuff that it has over there. And this community is a luxury community, which is very common for Pulte. Pulte does make some of the nicest luxury homes, in my opinion, and in general, the floor plans that I've seen from Pulte, even in the homes that are not luxury homes, they are definitely well thought out overall. And if I did have to rank them, Pulte Homes is definitely one of my favorite home builders, because I feel like whether you're looking for a luxury home or whether you're just looking for just a more standard home, something that's that has a asphalt shingle roof, no stone, stuff like that, Pulte Homes does make nice ones. That's the exit gate. We're going to go down this street over here because, boy, the street is long. Just to give you a little more of a showing of this community. Phase 2 is really big. I don't know if it's larger than Phase 1. I think it might be. Okay, so I'm not looking to exit out the rear gate just yet, which I'm actually going to exit out the front gate. I do want to see if this loops around so I can show you the townhomes. And one of the nice things about townhomes always is that townhomes is it's a nice first step. If you feel like, if you're considering purchasing a condo, you might just want to look at a townhome instead. Typically the HOA fees with condos can be sky high, and you could get a townhome for a lot less per month. Okay, so I'm going to have to turn out to the right at the end here and make the first right where the townhomes were. The townhomes around here have a very nice style about them. A lot of times in most communities, townhomes are just like this big rectangle dropped. Some of them really don't have any features. I understand. The reason for that most of the time is just to make townhomes more for somebody that's on a budget. Some communities, though, have townhomes that are luxury townhomes. This community would be one of them. Lakeshore, the Toll Brothers community, those townhomes are, without a doubt, those things are luxury inside and out. So let's see, yeah, here we go. Now it is kind of interesting how they have the main door is kind of sunk into its own little cove. Now, if you do have certain things that you are looking for on your list, like, you know, community pool, gym, stuff like that, please do contact me. I have a very good grasp on that stuff, because for me, and I just turned this over to the right, so maybe you can see a little bit more of how the townhomes are, like how the doors are set in a little bit. One of the things that I do look for is trying to find a community where it's a good value for the amount that you're going to spend in HOA. You know, sometimes you could end up spending $200, $300, and the HOA isn't even taking care of the grass. You know, so that's really something to consider. You know, there's a lot of communities where you could get your lawn care, your pool, your gym, all that kind of great stuff, and you could have it all for under $300 a month. And thank you for watching this video. Please favorite and share this video. And please contact me with any questions about a home purchase or sale. I do look forward to working with you and hearing from you in the future. And again, always keep in mind I do offer home buyers incentives, but you do have to contact me first before we head over to the home builder.